If you need to cancel a pending transfer at Publix, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Publix account using the website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials ready to access your account information. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. Scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. You may need to scroll through your recent transactions or use the search feature to locate it quickly. Step 4. Select Cancel option. After identifying the pending transfer, click on it to view the details. Look for Cancel option or button and select it to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Review any information provided and confirm that you want to cancel the transfer. Ensure you receive a confirmation message or email indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer at Publix. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Publix customer service for further assistance.